So we're here in front of the Nakamura MX 100. Now I saw this machine, Gio, at EMO in Hanover. Now the biggest thing about this mill-turn multitasking machine, one of the things to point out that the engineering technology group were telling us yesterday is the head on this. Now this is a very compact head, and it's where when they're positioning themselves about their competition, they're really focusing on this area, saying it's very small, but it's still very fast and powerful at the same time.
I know, it is a very compact head, and the reason being is when it's tilted at 90 degrees, you've got more working envelope in a smaller footprint. So you don't need to have a huge footprint machine, and it's all determined from the size of that head effectively. So you're kind of saving floor space, but it's not just about the head, is it, Paul? You've got the bottom turret, you've got revolving centre on there, twin spindle, automation. It's an absolutely sexy machine.
Now when I used to sell machine tools, one of the big things I used to find is that selling mill-turn machines, often people said, I don't want the bottom turret, I just want the milling head, the milling capability. But why would you not go for a bottom turret? It gives you so much of an advantage, the fact that you've got the ability to have more tools, you can balance turn, you can remove more material at once. You can reduce cycle times because you've got more versatility.
But you look in there as well, Paul, you'd assume with a big bottom turret like that it will take up a lot of the machine envelope. But I know there's quite a small component in there, I know that. However, just look at the space that you've got in there between spindle to spindle, for milling, turning, you've got everything. And also, I don't know if Gina catched it, but the automation comes out from above the second spindle, grabs the part, and round the back here, we've got where the parts just come and drop out. This is configurable as well, dependent on the components that you're looking to manufacture. But it's got everything, hasn't it, Paul? When you're looking at a complete solution, C6 tooling, high kilowatt power, fast, nimble, hard turning, the quality in Nakamura.
Yeah, and I mean, look at the screen as well. I know we just looked at this a minute ago. You've always say about the hardware's got so far and the software's sort of taking over. They're trying to get their productivity gains and the ease of use through the software, and you can see here with this Nakamura PC based control, they've got so many options on these controls to make this easy to program, because you look in there and when you see all the tools moving around, you kind of think to yourself, wow, and you see the Y-axis in action there and the B-axis now moving, you think to yourself, how am I going to avoid a collision? And that all has to be taken care of as a result of the NT Smart X that they have.
I mean, it's such a great evolution for a company like Nakamura. They've got their mechanical aspect of their product down to a T, and they're well established in that respect. Now to kind of launch machines such as this, it's just second nature for them. It's going to be such a massive selling machine, in my opinion.
It is, and this is the Nakamura Tome from the engineering technology. It's the MX 100 now available, and I think, in fact, this machine is even here in stock.